are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword false. In the world of Python programming, truth and falsehood govern the logic of our decisions. Today, we're shedding light on a simple yet pivotal keyword, false. Join us as we explore the essence and applications of false in Python. In Python, false is a Boolean value that represents the concept of logical falsity or negation. Alongside its counterpart, true, false is one of the two native Boolean values in Python used to control the flow of programs through conditions and logic. Why false? It's foundational to decision-making in code. Boolean values, including false, allow our programs to execute different paths based on conditions, comparisons, and checks. Without false, our programs would lack the ability to discern and react to varied situations. The false value shines in conditions where a binary choice dictates the flow, such as in if-else structures, while loops, or as flags controlling the execution of multi-step processes. It's essential for enabling dynamic and responsive code. Let's delve into a practical example to see false in action. In the first snippet, is raining is set to false, leading to the execution of the else block. This demonstrates how false can direct program flow in conditional statements. The second example uses a countdown to show false implicitly in action. When counter reaches 0, it's considered false in a Boolean context, triggering the if condition inside the loop. Grasping the false keyword unlocks new levels of control and logic in your Python endeavors. It's a testament to the power of simplicity in programming. Continue to build, explore, and refine your Python skills with us. For more insights into Python's core concepts, don't forget to subscribe.